Hello everybody, Luke Olson Official here. Today I am unboxing two Trackmaster push-along items I bought at Walmart today. And today's also my brother's birthday. So, you guys may know that I use an Emily from my series. Hang on a second. That's better. No, wait. Let's just keep it like that, okay? So, I use this Emily in my series. And I got this from my good buddy, Dryden Cousins, also known as Laced Up. Go check out his channel, he makes awesome content. But, I'm sending these back to him. Reason being? Yep, I got a Trackmaster push-along Emily, and, well, this might be a little controversial thing, because, this model of Emily lacks her big wheel, and some people might complain like, oh, why didn't you just get a take-along or take-and-play or adventures? She has her big wheel. Well, this was the only one at Walmart, so, I would feel bad, like, if I didn't get it. But yeah, it's really cool. This was the only one at Walmart. I mean, like, just one Emily. And there was, like, two of the next one. Okay, so here's Emily. Alright, we're starting off good. She has a nice face. I'll do some painting around here. And, completely, plastic tender. Yeah, buffer's facing the wrong way. I bet that's good. On to the next one. And the last Trackmaster push-along item I have is going to be doing an important job on my layout. The important job is pulling those custom express cutters I made out of Trackmaster push-along Annie and Clarabelle. Trackmaster push-along Gordon. This one model looks really good. I'm being honest. Yeah, I like the tender, I like the engine. It just looks really good. I mean, I liked how this Gordon turned out. The back, you got, I already have these three. So, compatible. Yeah, I bet you that's Superstation track right there. Wow, that was really easy. Okay, Gordon has a really nice face, capturing the CGI Gordon from very well. Yeah. Another way, like, I think I could have gotten this, well, if it was at Walmart, was the Sodor Friends, 10-pack. I believe there's 10. Yeah, I think there was. Taking a look at the engine itself, it actually just looks really fine. Looks really good. Dated 2018 right there. Never trust domeless engines. They're just not respectable. Okay, this Gordon does have a dome, but I just wanted to say that for fun because it's a really good quote from Gordon. And then let's look at the tender. Yet again, all Trackmaster push-along tenders are made out of plastic, but I actually really like this one. I mean, like, I could, like, find another one of these, like, if they ever made, like, a Trackmaster push-along foreign engine or big city engine, because, Take and Play and Wooden Railway didn't get it correctly, because LMS Patriots, back in their day, had carried, Fowler tenders, but they didn't put a Fowler tender on the big city engine, like Wooden Railway and Take and Play. But overall, I really like these two models, and I can't wait to be using them in the future episodes of Take-Along Adventures. And I also like to let you know that Season 9 is going to be airing on April 6th. Starting with the episode, News on Sodor.